This file is a digital suitcase encrypted by Prem-X. You can't force it open. You need the free ZED container viewer and the password. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to mount it. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest ZED files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. In the hierarchy of files, the ZED is categorized under the compressed archive file grouping. Its metadata is consistently defined by the ZED Encrypted File type. The ZED extension serves two cutting-edge industries: data security, Bitberry ZED House, and 3D computer vision, Stereolabs. In the security sector, it is a compressed archive utilizing heavy encryption to protect sensitive documents. In the tech sector, it is a volumetric data file captured by stereo cameras to store point clouds, depth information, and spatial mapping for AI and autonomous systems. These files are governed by cryptographic and spatial mapping protocols. Bitberry archives are designed with AES 256 encryption and self-extracting logic to ensure data privacy during transit. Stereolabs, ZED files, follow a volumetric data structure that prioritizes synchronized frame data from dual lenses, requiring high bandwidth throughput to store millions of depth coordinates, voxels, while maintaining the metadata needed for real-time 3D reconstruction. There's a proprietary link between the ZED format and ZED by Prem-X. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can show some information about the archive, but detailed access requires external tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your ZED file and choosing Open With. Try ZED. First, if it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the ZED file won't budge, stay calm. We've got this under control. If the ZED file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, application selection. Identify the file origin. If you are a developer working with 3D cameras, you must use the ZED SDK or ZED Depth Viewer. If the file contains sensitive business data or was sent as a secure attachment, use the ZED software. Attempting to open an encrypted archive in a 3D viewer will result in a header mismatch error. Next, encryption access. For encrypted ZED files, you cannot bypass the password. If you have lost the key, the data is mathematically unrecoverable due to the AES 256 standard. If the file is self-extracting, you can simply change the extension to XE and run it, provided you are on a Windows machine and trust the source of the file. Finally, 3D data processing. If a spatial ZED file won't load in your AI workflow, ensure your NVIDIA CUDA drivers are up to date. The ZED SDK relies heavily on GPU acceleration to process the raw stereo data. Without the correct graphics drivers, the software cannot reconstruct the depth map stored within the binary container. If the standard Open With path didn't work for your ZED file, it's time to skip straight to the final software. That's the most reliable way to attempt handling non-compliant formats. Stop letting Windows tell you the file is wrong. FileMagick has the unique ability to display content instantly, even when the ZED extension is missing or incorrect. Download it now at filemagick.com. Check out the link in the description for FileMagick. Help me get this solution to more people. Hit share and subscribe to see all my future work.